up, guys? Welcome back to Spare Time Videos. I am Brett, and today we're going to be messing around with a Jeep, and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of update on my sanding job on the Jeep grill. I am redoing it, so this is where we're at. So I really sanded the piss out of this thing. I think I went a little too far with it. So it was absolutely a pain in the ass. You can just tell that I really grinded it down a little too far in some places. This was a really big project. I don't know. It was probably one of my bigger projects that I've done. Lots of time put into it. Very, very time consuming, and I wanted it to be done right. I screwed it up. But, anyways, yeah, I told my wife, I was like, alright, I'm done. I'm going to leave it on there like this. And she was like, no. But it actually does look kind of badass. It's kind of rustic looking. Today, we are going to be putting on the lights that I have. I actually bought a pair with the halo rings, and the halo rings really screwed up. So, yeah. So I did a complete videoed everything, started testing stuff. Stuff didn't pan out, wasn't working right, so I scrapped it, boxed everything up, and we're sending it back. Yeah, the product, obviously made in China. It's your regular front blinkers with a halo ring, you know, when it comes on with the DRLs, your running lights, and I couldn't get it to come on. I jumpered power to it. I did everything in my power to try to make it right, and it wouldn't work. So, but anyways, we're going to get the Jeep in here, and we're going to go ahead and throw these new ones on that I got, and then we'll check them out. Make this a nice and sweet short video, and kind of an update. So yeah, we'll get to it. Alright guys, today we got us a great product here made in the good old US of A. These are going to be our front markers. So these are an LED pair. Open these up. I'll link in the description below a link to these. But anyway, I'll open these up the first time. They do have some scratches on them. I'll put these on the other Jeep, you know, clear pair. This Jeep has clear ones on them. This is a 2014, and they have clear front markers. But yeah, they seem really light. Everything looks kind of, you know, as it should be, I guess. But there are some scratches already, surface scratches. I don't know if you can notice or see them on there. But anyways, check out the other one, see if it's jacked up or something. And this one is not. So, yeah. Even though these are smoky, they are still kind of clear. The clear ones are obviously a lot more clear than this. But if you're afraid that you're going to be getting these smoked lens and they're going to be, you know, too dark, they're not. You're still going to get your little silvery look. We'll take a look at them in comparison. We'll do one side and leave the other on, take a look at it, and that way you guys can, you know, see apples to apples what you're getting, what these things look like, and we know how they operate. So anyways, we just want to make sure that these work. Here's a closer look at these guys. These are really nice. You're gonna have LEDs in there, but they have R for right. Obviously there's an L on the other one. There should be an L on the other one if they sent them correctly. But yeah. Let's see if I can look at the surface scratches on the other one. Left hand corner. It's right here. You see it right there. It's right below the glare. But other than that, I mean, these things are, you know, really nice. Hopefully they'll tolerate the water really well. Let's see if this has an L on it. Does it have an L? Oh, yep, there's your L. Here's a side-by-side comparison. You're really not losing too much of the clearness. You know, you could get these a little bit more clear, but these are smoky, and they do have the LEDs, where this just has the actual bulb in it. You know, we'll put one in one and one in the other, or leave one in the other. That way you guys can get a good comparison of what you're getting. Alright guys, for this to take place and for us to remove these, we are going to have to pop the hood and get this grill off. So you guys know the drill, we've done this before. Let's get to it. Guess what we're going to do? Oh, look. That's nice. Sweet. Okay. Well, hopefully it'll stay up there and not fall and decapitate me or anything. So, yeah. Let's get to work.
Maybe you should take it slow.
We'll lay this Jeep grill down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these off, and we will get our new LED lights put on, check them out, and test them. So pretty much right here, all you're gonna do is take this clip, undo it, push in, pull out. There you go. Same thing over here. Take this clip. We're going to slide it up. We're going to pinch and pull. There you go. Okay, so we have the Jeep grill laid down. And we've got a towel under it, obviously, so we don't scratch it all up. And we're going to take these pins, and they have these little bitty latches on them that are holding down. We're just barely stuck out enough to grab this little piece of plastic. So you're just going to grab it, you're going to push them in, and then you're going to push back. So yeah. So there you go. These little clips right here, you just push them and they just pop right out. So yeah, just to kind of show you guys, push it, push it. Oh, that was gonna be a booger. Oh, this one came back out. It's kind of like a little push and pull type deal. Push that one in. Okay, that one's done. There you go. So we have the passenger factory light in, and we are going to go ahead and install the driver's side. So we're just going to poke it through. It helps to see what you're doing. Alright. So we have our plug plugged in, and it is locked. So we're gonna go ahead and set this back up so you guys can see the difference. I'm probably like really close. This is gonna be the moment of truth. I've literally just set these in. It's just been a few short minutes. I've kind of showed you guys how to do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw the keys in, and then let's just see if these things work. I don't even know, good or bad. I'm gonna turn it on and see what happens. Yeah, it's really, really bright. These over here don't look to be as bright as the left side, but they do pale in comparison as, looks. I do like the LED look to it. But anyways, yeah, this is just literally, we've come in here, we've unplugged, and we've plugged these ones in, and this is what you get. I mean, this is literally just a raw installation video. I think they look awesome. They look great. This has been very, very easy to do. This is something that you guys can do in your garage. I think the hardest part's really getting this grill off. Let's take a closer look at this, and that way you guys can decide which ones you like better. I mean, if you like the factory look or if you like the LED look. Anyways, you guys be the decision makers and see if you guys want to get these. Just in case you guys are curious, they do work with our blinker setup. There isn't any interference. So, yeah, these do blink. It's got like a little pulsation. But I think it goes with the lights in a better rhythm than with the factory. So let's take a look at the factory one really quick. There's definitely a little bit of a delay there. The driver's side's more, instant and sharp pulsed. The passenger side has like a lag. It's like the bulb's like burning in and burning out slowly. What a great look for the Jeep. These are the clear LED front markers that I have on the other Jeep. Same brand, same company, same thing. And these are the ones we just put on today. These are the smoked out ones. So you can tell there's a little bit of a difference. These are a little bit darker. But anyways, yeah.
Sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor.
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for your support. If this is your first time here, hit that thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're a subscriber, thank you guys for joining me once again. I've got a lot more videos to come. I know I just hit 100 subscribers. That does mean a lot to me. I know that sounds, not too big of a deal. I have been doing this for about 5 months. But my next YouTube goal is 1,000 subscribers. That's a lot. That's a big jump from 100 to 1,000. So guys, share my videos. Thank you guys so much. Get my content out there. I would love to see at least 500. 1,000 would be terrific. That's actually one of my next YouTube goals that they have actually set. But anyways, I appreciate everything that you guys give me. You're awesome at giving me my reviews on my videos, telling me if you like them. I've had people tell me, hey, do more two-door videos. I've had people say, hey, I'll do the rear bumper. Guys, you guys have messaged me. I am on Instagram. It's bigman06_still. come find me. I do post a lot of stuff up there before these videos go out. Thank you guys so much once again. I appreciate everything. Peace out. Keep Jeeping.